Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Swift code of CIMB Bank. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Wise website. In the search bar, at the top of the page, type CIMB Bank Swift code and hit enter. On the search results page, locate the relevant article or section that provides Swift codes for CIMB Bank branches. Find the specific Swift or BIC code for the CIMB Bank branch you are looking for. For example, CIMB's main Swift code might be CIBBMYKL. If needed, click on the link to view more details about your branch or the code's uses. Copy the Swift code and use it for your international transfers or banking needs. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.